Spring is upon us, which means it's time to change our linen out for something light and bright. Already on my bed is a waterproof mattress protector because this mattress is still under warranty. I'm also adding a mattress pad by Casa Luna, and you can get that at your local Target. It is a cool loft pad, and I have to tell you, I love it because it keeps the bed so cool. So if you like a warm bed, this is not the pad for you. Just about everything that you see today, you can pick up at your local Target store or either go online and order. And no, this video is not sponsored by Target. Next up, you see me putting the Threshold Signature sheet set on my bed, and these are 800 count. And this fitted sheet does not move because of the elastic on the corner, so I love that. Here I'm putting on the flat sheet, and I typically wash these and then dry them and pull them directly out of the dryer. I have seen people steam their sheets, and to each their own. I don't think it's really necessary, specifically if you pull them out of the dryer and then go ahead and make sure that you pull them tightly, and you shouldn't have any issues. However, if you're still struggling, a little bit of downy wrinkle release goes a long way, and honestly I prefer that over steaming any day, but it's up to you. What you see me doing now is going ahead and pulling the sheets, and then I'm going to go ahead and secure and tuck them on the corners. And honestly, a lot of these wrinkles as well will fall out with a little time. And a pro tip here, if you want your whites to stay white, do not add bleach to your laundry. It took me a long time to figure that out, especially because my mom put bleach in everything. But a few years ago I stopped doing it, and all my whites stayed white. You can put baking soda, you can even put OxyClean, and you won't have any issues, I promise. I am adding a quilt to the bed now. You can also pick this up at Target. I believe I have the color charcoal, and this is really a compromise. My husband hates white sheets, but I love them. So I decided to go ahead and put a quilt on the bed to break up some of the white, and also it will keep us warm because I keep a very, very cold house. So if you have any issues with that, go ahead and add on a quilt, because it really does aid on those months when you're running air condition all day long. If you're like me, I go from heat to air, so yeah, I need it. What you see me putting on now is a duvet from zgallerie, and it is their Savion bedding line. I actually have two of these in white, believe it or not. And on the bed I like to put two pillows, one firm pillow, and I believe this one is a memory foam pillow as well. I'm not sure where I purchased it. And then I do add one fluffy pillow. My husband likes the fluffy pillows. I like the memory foam pillows. So I keep both of them up there just in case. And I'm getting ready to close this video out, but before I do, to all of the pillow police, you're going to see me do something that is unorthodox for many of the channels that I see. I am not the person that goes out and purchases 10 decorative pillows. I'm not sure why anyone wants to do that. Don't get me wrong, I think these beds that I see look beautiful, but I'm not going to have an additional storage closet just for pillows. So what you will see is me design this bed in a very functional way. I use the pillows that we use every day on our bed, and you're going to see me add a few pillows to that momentarily. So what I do first is go ahead and put the fluffy pillow against the headboard, and then I lay the firm pillow right in front of that, Now what I should have done, and I didn't see this until I had already recorded it, is made sure that all four of the pillows were centered appropriately against the headboard. And then I'll bring in two pillows here that are decorative. These two came from zgallerie, and I promise this would look so much better if the four pillows were centered in front of the headboard. But you get the point. I promise you there is no need to go out and purchase 10 pillows to put on your bed. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will come back with other options for your bed real soon. Until next time, bye.